From the moment you enter, there's a sense of calm, of space, of quiet luxury, the kind that does not shout but speaks luxury. This is your beautifully designed, fully furnished studio apartment, part of the iconic Central Park Resort where lifestyle meets comfort. The kitchen is smart, sleek and fully equipped with all the built-in appliances like refrigerator, microwave, chimney hob, the dishwasher and the washing machine as well. We are giving you this beautiful crockery as well. And we have this space also for your crockery needs, your storage in your kitchen. And at the entrance we have this beautifully designed shoe rack as well in Japanese style. Now look at this spacious living area we have. This is 1 BHK apartment of Bella Vista, where we have the size of 1680 square feet, and we are giving you fully furnished apartment like this. You can see the furniture placed here will be giving you the same as it is. This TV, this panel, these chairs and the curtains as well. The false ceiling you can see, this is around 11.5 feet, and this beautiful chandelier placed here, and the scenery, the large size scenery we have. Everything is so well placed and we have ample space to walk around. And now moving towards the bedroom, we have the beautifully designed spacious bedroom. We have this beautiful bed placed here with 2 side tables. We have this wide balcony attached with this room as well, and an ensuite washroom. A beautiful washroom, I must say. Now look at this mirror detailing we have, and the partition, and we have a cute little bathtub here. And one more amazing thing I have never seen anywhere before, we have temperature control flooring here with this temperature control water panel here, and a Toto seat here which is also temperature controlled. And you know what, this is a fully automated Alexa powered home. And the amazing part of this 1 BHK apartment is this L-shaped, beautifully designed, long-running balcony with this special jacuzzi here. Isn't it wow? And the breathtaking views. Just amazing. Let me show you the L-shaped, long-running balcony, how wide it is. You can design it in whichever way you want. You can make your green area here, your party place here, ready for your morning cup of tea and your night thoughts. And you know what, on both the sides you have luxurious flats. Like on this side you have 4 BHK apartment which will cost you around 20 crores, and on that side you will be having 4 BHK apartments which are under construction and going to be ready for around 50,000 per square feet. And you have a 80,000 square feet clubhouse we are going to give you here. And look at the central view. We have a jungle theme parked here also.